Wait,
Hello?
I got a dingleberry. Hold on.
Wait, is he pooping?
Oh,
Oh,
boy.
he's peeping.
Oh, yeah.
Let it all out.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's funny because he goes over the river.
It looks like he's moving his fur so he don't get himself a wet or something. We were right where we said we were going to be. You said, I said we'd be waiting by the river otter.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. Nobody listened. Well, this ain't my fault. I directed you to the bathroom.
Yeah, and I said, well, I'm not coming back. I go, I'll meet you at the end.
No, we're not going to...
Fielding notes. Please keep
animals
tucked up.
Well, I don't know if you're looking.
We're petting the stingray. We haven't pet the stingray.
His butt again. He has his butt, or his finger in his butt. Ew!
Ew!
He's helping himself go. You wanted to see this.
Ah!
Oh, is he really gonna take a poop? Oh my god.
Yeah, I went to go catch the stingrays and we walked all around.
We were
I'm
looking
fine
pretty good.
anywhere. My legs are killing me. You guys go ahead.
We look pretty good. Don't turn this
We
on us.
kept walking up there to where I said I'd meet you. At the end of the manatee.
I'm not going to argue with you, Mom. I got 5 other witnesses that will say the same thing. I said river otter. We'd be sitting by the river otter.
I don't know the river otters were.
Right by the manatee. You guys
Ah, he's